This is me and Rebecca, you know, just like randomly doing the dishes.
Hey, do you want to see a gun show? Kapow! What's this? Is it like a...
Rebecca, are you scared of my microwave?
I thought it was like a bowl thingy. Okay, calm down.
Wow.
Because that's nasty. That's what we ate.
Oh yeah, we had chicken and some
chops,
noodles, and we just finished the dishes.
Like on a pig. What?
Yeah, my mom wanted me to, you know, like drown them in water and like do the dishes. Let's look at you. Oh, your shirt. Pull out your shirt.
P dino.
Oh, I thought it said D dino. Oh, I see now. Is that okay? Yep, Rebecca and Brittany.
Uh huh.